Hi everybody, today is Monday and it's time to share another podcast. In this one I talk about rockets and flowers, and also in the tips and tricks section I talk about types of wood, how to choose, what to choose. It's always an issue depending on what you have available. And you just listen to the podcasts and I will try to explain everything. So, see you next week. Have fun!
Funtastic Mondays.
Hi everybody! Before I start this podcast, I want to remind you that this is totally free. You can hear it, download it, take it with you. It's very handy in my opinion. If you just want to hear it, you can check my blog or Facebook. If you want to keep it, download it, you'll have to log into Castbox. This will also allow you to get updates of when I upload a new one. You can make playlists and access thousands of other podcasts that you may like. Either way, it is and will be free. So, how was your weekend? What did you dream of doing this week? I had some extra ideas that I'm going to share with you. Hope they inspire you a little more. This week I found out about a very unique festival, Bun Bang Fi Rocket Festival. I hope this is properly spelled. I had no idea of its existence. What happens is that participants compete by firing homemade rockets from bamboo platforms into the sky. A panel of judges then decides which rockets have gone the furthest and pick up a winner. The original belief was that firing these rockets to the sky would encourage the rain to come. This event reminds me of sci-fi movies, spaceships, real rockets, spatial exploration, astronauts, and so on. The spacesuit itself is a beautiful thing to burn. So are the rockets and spaceships. It's a whole world of designs for you to explore. The second idea is a festival that will happen in Spain this weekend, and it's called Girona Flower Festival. Well, Girona is well known as the city of festivals, but this one is exquisite. The streets become art installations with music, light, fountains, and, of course, thousands of flowers. It's not just a floral show. You can see creations made by local children as well as professional ones. From doorways to window displays in the shops, they are everywhere. Made by everyone and all very unique and different from each other in scale, complexity, color and beauty. This is one of my favorite themes for pyrography, flowers. It's also a theme that fits everyone, from the very beginner to a more advanced artist, and you have an infinity of models to choose from. Nature is beautiful in all its glory. Now, for the tips and tricks section, I have chosen types of wood. This selection will of course depend on where you live, unless you order your wood from abroad like I usually do. Here in Portugal, the main wood we have available is pine, which is a very tricky type of wood because of the sap that may be inside and because of the grain. The three main things you should consider are hardness, texture and color. Harder woods require more heat to get the same result. Protect your hands. Softer woods are easier to burn and are perfect for beginners. Grain or texture is another big issue. This is related to the wood density. The grain matches the areas where the wood has more density and it is harder. What this does is that you'll get an inconsistent burning that may ruin your work. These areas will be harder to burn and will require more temperature. You'll have different tones with the same temperature when going over the grain. Less grain or no grain at all is the best option. The lighter the wood, the biggest the contrast. Your work will be highlighted over a brighter background. Lighter color also usually matches softer woods. Dangers that you must pay attention: toxicity and smoke. My advice to you is to try to get some information on the wood you are buying and try to buy it from a safe place that you trust the information that is provided about the wood you are buying. There are some dangerous type of woods that will release toxic fumes when you burn them. Others only when sanding them. Pay special attention if you have a tendency to allergies and breathing problems. Use a mask and a smoke or dust collector. Alternatively, you can use a fan or work in a ventilated area. Don't forget that wind will cool down your tips. Try to keep a steady surrounding environment. Hope you keep inspiring life with your beautiful work. Have a great day and a wonderful week. See you all next Monday.
Funtastic Mondays.